Looking for a great convertible car seat? We researched over 20 possible products to include in our testing and purchased the 12 top convertible seats to determine which is the best. For most parents, a convertible car seat is their second car seat, and Consumer Reports encourages the use of a convertible car seat from baby's first birthday onward, since they've proven safer in crash tests. Convertible car seats are different because they can convert, so to speak, from rear-facing to forward-facing, and they accommodate toddlers well past the 30 to 40 pound mark. Some even turn into booster seats. So what is the best convertible car seat? That depends on what you're looking for. This list can get you started. I am telling you how to install a best convertible car seat. So let's start. A parent favorite installation method. The Advocate, complete with external side impact cushions not found on other Britax models, allows for both latch and seat belt installation. And this best convertible car seat comes with an anti-rebound bar ARB, a U-shaped metal bar that attaches to the foot area in rear-facing mode. In the event of a crash, this bar would prevent the car seat from bouncing backward. Standout feature: the click-tight button once over. With a press and a twist, you can lift up a seat panel and access the belt pads. Thread a belt through, buckle up and press the compartment back down to hear a click that tells you everything's correctly in place. Weight range 5 to 65 pounds. This convertible car seat helps protect rear-facing infants from 5-40 pounds and forward-facing toddlers from 22-65 pounds, allowing the Triumph LX to grow with your child. Evenflo's proprietary E3 side impact protection significantly reduces side impact crash forces up to 50% through 3 layers of expanded zone protection. Quick connector latch system allows you to quickly and safely move this convertible car seat around multiple vehicles. The 5-point infinite slide harness easily slides to adjust for an accurate fit every time, which means easy in and out for your child at least 1 year of age. Dual integrated cup holders allow your child easy access to their favorite drinks or juices. Secondary. Admittedly, Italian craftsmanship and a double-stitch trim shouldn't be your first priorities in a car seat, but it's this attention to detail that consistently earns Perego praise. Their breathable fresco jersey fabric washable is equal parts stylish and comfortable, and underneath are supreme safety features, like a contoured steel back plate, adjustable side impact protection, and energy-absorbing foam. Standout feature: all of these elements combined add up to a seriously well-made car seat. That durability is enough to earn the Primo Viaggio convertible a 2-year warranty. And that's a pretty big deal. Almost every car seat's warranty lasts for just a year. Evenflo created the first infant car seat featuring sensor technology to remind parents their littlest passenger is in the back seat upon arrival at their destination. Now the sensor is back, this time for their convertible car seat, and it's surprisingly affordable. Standout feature: a sensor chest clip on the 5-point harness works together with a plug-in receiver for your car. When you turn off the ignition, an alert sounds twice to remind you about your child. The goal is to prevent the roughly 37 accidental hop car deaths that occur each year. Weight range 5 to 65 pounds.